Life Agent Exam Number 6. All of the following apply to an insurance broker, not an insurance agent, except a broker is appointed by the insurer to transact insurance. If an insurer inadvertently is found guilty of unfair trade practices while issuing, renewing, and servicing a policy, the insurer could be prosecuted for how many violations? 3. An insurer owned by a parent company that provides insurance to cover the parent company's loss exposure is a captive insurer. Which of the following is not excluded by group life? Accidental injury. The minimum number of employees for group life insurance in California is 2. A true group consists of how many employees? 10. A parent who lives at home is being cared for by an adult daughter on a full-time basis. Which of the following would provide care if the daughter need a period of separation? Respite care. In order to qualify for Social Security retirement benefits, the worker must be fully insured. Which of the following could be used to pay off the mortgage on a home, providing a death benefit that equals the amount of outstanding debt on the home, no more and no less? Decreasing term insurance. What does the phrase life insurance creates an immediate estate mean? The total death benefit will be paid to the beneficiary on the death of the insured. Annuities are designed to do which of the following? Liquidate an estate. Every insurer offering individual life insurance policies or annuities to senior citizens that use non-guaranteed elements in illustrations must provide a statement to that effect. Which of the following is correct regarding this statement? Guaranteed elements must be in bold print and non-guaranteed elements must be in plain type. The usual amount of death benefit in an industrial life insurance policy is less than $2,000. The aggregate face amount of an industrial life policy is $10,000. In which of the following qualified pension plans are benefits linked to the employee's year of service and or amount of compensation? Defined benefit plan. Which of the following allows employees to share in the financial success of the company? Profit sharing plan. The Social Security age of retirement is dependent upon the individual's date of birth. Life insurance illustrations show premiums, values, credits, or charges that are not determined at issue demonstrate non-guaranteed elements. In a group life policy with a death benefit of more than $50,000, premium cost for insurance above $50,000 is taxable income to the insured. An ESOP invests in employer stock. In a group life plan, unmarried children may be covered as dependents until the age of 20. Any insurer that provides claim forms must include which of the following statements? For your protection, California law requires the following to appear on this form. Any person who knowingly presents false or fraudulent claim for the payment of a loss is guilty of a crime and may be subject to fines and confinement in state prison. When an illustration for life insurance is presented, all of the following are prohibited except using the insurer's disciplined current scale in the illustration. The federal law known as COBRA does which of the following? Allows for and provides protection of ex-employees as well as their dependents by providing them the same conversion and extension benefits for group health insurance benefits as those given to existing employees. Which of the following conditions would not be included among chronic illness triggers of an LTC policy? Deafness. Which of the following is the definition of morbidity? The likelihood of illness or injury. Which of the following is the best definition of mortality? The probability of death. What does a stop-loss provision in a medical expense insurance plan set a maximum for? The limit of out-of-pocket expense payments covered each year under a policy. Every admitted insurer in the state of California is required to maintain a unit division to investigate which of the following? Possible fraudulent claims made by the insured. Medicare Part B is not cover the expense of virtually all drugs prescribed by a doctor. So Medicare Part B does not do that. Eligibility for Social Security retirement benefits is based upon the number of quarters earned. For more serious offenses and convictions, an application for a license can be denied without a hearing. Which of the following circumstances would allow for an application to be denied for an insurance license without a hearing? The applicant for the license has had a previous license denied for a cause within the previous 5 years. If a physician is paid through a preferred provider organization or a PPO, the normal way of paying him or her is by payment directly for each service. An insurance company which is owned by individuals who purchase shares of stock in the company share in the profits in proportion to shares owned, and vote for a board of directors is known as what type of insurer? A stock insurer. In a workers' compensation contract, Part 1 provides payments of which of the following? Sums the employer is legally required to pay under state workers' compensation laws. Which of the following is not covered by the CLHIGA? Group stop-loss plans. All of the following are covered by the CLHIGA except employer self-funded plans. If an insurer indicates that an illustration will be used, they must do which of the following? Send a summary status report to the policy owner annually. The rules regarding life insurance policy illustrations are intended to ensure all of the following except ensure that the illustration specifies that both guaranteed and non-guaranteed elements will continue unchanged for all years shown. When a corporation ceases to exist entirely, their insurance license terminates. If an insurer knowingly allows one of its agents to mislead a member of the public in order to induce the person to change their existing insurance, the commissioner may suspend the insurer's certificate of authority for the class of business involved. All of the following are required to be included in life insurance illustrations except a statement that the benefits in the illustration are guaranteed. If a dependent child covered by a group life plan is incapable of self-support coverage, under the plan they may continue up to what age? Any age. So if they can't support themselves, they can continue on the plan to any age. In a group life plan, a dependent child attending an educational institution may be covered until age 24. All are considered physicians except an optometrist. All of the following are qualified plans except deferred compensation. Which of the following is true regarding a regular IRA? Deductible contributions, taxable benefits. Which of the following is true regarding a Roth IRA? Non-deductible contributions, tax-free benefits. What type of policy has the principal insured covered with a whole life policy and term on a spouse and child? A family policy. Which of the following policies go from lowest premium to highest premium? Modified, ordinary, single premium. How must an agent inform a senior of the free look period right to cancel? Buyer's guide and outline of coverage. Outline of coverage for seniors on a long-term care policy must be presented at the time of application. All of the following are life activities according to the American Disabilities Act except running. Group life insurance employer pays premium up to a certain amount. Employees have an option for additional coverage on a voluntary basis. Employee pays premium. A variable annuity is purchased by a senior and cancels during the free look period. Premiums are invested in money market, premium paid including policy fee. So that's if a variable annuity is purchased by a senior and they cancel it during the free look period, and the premiums are invested in the money market, what happens? So the premium paid including the policy fee. I guess is refunded. It's not worded very well, so I'm not sure. A variable annuity is purchased by a senior citizen and cancels during the free look period. Premiums are invested in a mutual fund. Account value minus account fee. So same kind of thing. According to code, variable annuity for which the owner directed that premiums be invested in mutual funds upon cancellation within 30 days, insurer must return the account value. That's the best answer. They have to return the account value. And another way of saying that might be premium paid including policy fee or account value minus account fee. What is the order from the lowest to the highest on premium mode? Annual, semi-annual, quarterly, monthly. Pension plan that invests in employer stock is an ESOP, ESOP. What type of provision maintains the coverage and premium never decreases or increases? Non-cancelable. Which type of provision maintains the coverage and the current premium may increase by a class of insureds? Guaranteed renewable. Which of the following is not covered under a disability policy? Alzheimer's. All of the following are results of federal acts except misrepresenting benefits and values of the policy. All of the following are eligible for Social Security survivor benefits except spouse. How do we provide documentation of the free look? Signed document by applicant. What disability term does Social Security use? Total disability. Premium on life insurance are non-deductible. What age is considered an elder in California? 65. What age is considered a senior for a free look provision in California? 60. When the death benefit is paid as a lump sum, the benefits are non-taxable. How long does the insurer have to pay the insured on a claim? 30 days. Really, it should be immediately, however, within 30 days, or must pay interest from the date of the death. A worker EMT goes back to work as a telephone solicitor part-time. What is this type of disability? What type of disability is getting paid on? Partial disability. Agents licensed prior to 1992, what is the requirement for long-term care? 8 hours every year for the first 4 years. Who is entitled to receive the death benefit in the facility of payment provision? Nearest living relative. What type of provision maintains the premium and never decreases or increases? Non-cancelable. All of the following are reasons to buy life insurance except retirement income. When an insured receives a health insurance policy, he has how many days to review and ask for a return of his or her premium? 10. How long is the benefit period for a short-term disability policy? 12 weeks to 52 weeks. If an employee who has a group policy leaves his job, what type of health insurance is guaranteed to him? COBRA. Which of the following is a part of the application? Agent report. What is a standard risk classification? Rate, person on age, health, habit, and occupation. What is a characteristic of term life insurance? It is written for a specified period of time. What is a per capita beneficiary designation? When money is divided equally among the beneficiaries. What is a per stirpes beneficiary designation? When the beneficiary dies and the proceeds go to heirs. Which of the following is a characteristic of adjustable life? Adjust the face amount of the policy. A type of short-term insurance is travel insurance. Which of the following is not an exclusion under a health policy? Accidental injuries. What is the type of insurance which pays for workers hurt in the course and scope of duty? Workers' compensation. Adult daycare is a provision of which of the following? Long-term care insurance. Joe and Kate have 4 children. After Joe dies, Kate is told that she'll have to wait until what age to collect her husband's Social Security benefits? 60. Which of the following is a retirement plan designated for self-employed individuals? KEOGH. KEOGH for self-employed employed individuals. Health maintenance organizations, or HMOs, are required to provide for all the following services except prescription drugs. After the deductible is paid, what portion does a patient pay for covered expenses under Medicare Part B? 20%. After the deductible is paid, what portion does Medicare pay for covered expenses under Part B? 80%. If Medicare claim is denied, what part of Medicare may be appealed? Part B. The California Insurance Code states that policies or certificates may be called comprehensive long-term care insurance if they provide for institutional care, nursing facilities, and home care. James is injured and no longer has the use of his eyes. He is declared legally blind, and it is considered to be a partial disability. The Medical Information Bureau gathers information that assists in the underwriting process. This information includes matters such as its two answers. The first one is when an applicant previously applied for insurance, and information from physicians. During the disability elimination period, no benefits are payable. According to the Employee Retirement Income Security Act of 1974, ERISA, fiduciary standards benefit plans are operated for plan participants and beneficiaries. To achieve fully insured status, an individual must accumulate 40 credits or quarters. For an individual to achieve currently insured status, they must accumulate 6 credits out of the last 13 quarters. The following are group health underwriter factors except location of the business. Which of the following is defined as mandatory in the California Insurance Code? Shall. Which of the following is defined as permissive in the Insurance Code? May. Long-term care insurance is available in all the following ways except federal government-sponsored plan. Which of the following is the most common specified disease policy? Cancer. Which of the following terms describes when participants have 100% ownership in the monies of a retirement plan? Vested. An automatic premium loan is made at the end of the grace period. Persistency is important for all the following reasons except each year the policy is in force, more insureds will use the benefit. Family Medical Leave Act, or FMLA, allows for unpaid leave for a maximum of 12 weeks. Under HIPAA, HIPAA, portability, 63 days. So HIPAA, 63 days. End of exam 6, life.